Hello friends, I am Rashmi. Welcome to SRS Info. Today we are going to start a new chapter in pharmaceutics, that is capsules. I will give you an introduction today about capsules. Already we have completed tablets in very detail, so you can check the playlist in the channel about tablets. Now let's start capsules. These are the commonly used single dosage form of medicines. So basically what are capsules? These are the solid unit dosage forms of medicament in which the drugs are practically tasteless, hard or soft, soluble container or shell made up of suitable form of gelatin. Basically capsules are solid unit dosage forms of medicament in which the drugs, basically this is the capsule, okay. This is the body and this is the cap. The medicament are filled in this body and it is covered with this cap. So this cover is made up of soluble gelatin. Okay, soluble form of gelatin. Capsules may be hard or soft, but anyhow these are soluble in water. So any of the medicaments, while they are tasteless or bitter taste, so this is the benefit of capsules. So these are the solid unit dosage forms in which the medicaments are filled in the container or shell made up of suitable forms of gelatin. And nowadays these types of dosage forms are very popular in the market. The manufacturing of capsule is known as, basically these capsules are manufactured by the process which is commonly known as encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation. And these capsules are considered as one of the most efficient way of taking medicines. Basically these are very efficient because this has no taste. Most of the time the medicines are bitter taste, but when these medicaments are enclosed in such tasteless shell, then it is comfortable to take. That is why this become more popular and convenient to the patient. And these capsules can be classified as two. These are hard capsules and soft capsules. We will study both this in very detail. Before that, let's understand the advantages and disadvantages of capsules. What are the advantages if we take the medicines in the form of capsules? We have already discussed in the definition that the tasteless, odorless and easily administered form of medicament, easily administered form of medicines. You can see that the capsules are coming in different colors. Colorful capsules are available in the market. So these are very attractive, especially for old people and children. These are comfortable to take because of their attractive appearance. And again, the drugs having unpleasant odor and taste can be enclosed in tasteless shell. These are already explained in the definition. These capsules are very economical. It's comfortable to carry. But one thing is to be noticed, that the packing of the capsules must be focused. If the packing is proper, then it's comfortable to handle and carry. So these are the advantages of capsules. At the same time, there are some type of difficulties or disadvantages while using capsule as medicament. First of all, the hygroscopic drugs are not suitable for filling into capsules. Why? Hygroscopic means it contains water. Okay, the medicines which have a water content. These types of medicines are not suitable for filling into capsules because the capsule shells are made of gelatin. Okay, and this gelatin is soluble in water. So what will happen if the hygroscopic drugs are filled in this capsule? So when this capsule is coming into contact with water, the gelatin shell become soluble. So when it becomes soluble, naturally the medicines inside the capsule can be damaged or soluble in water, so that those medicines which are to be kept as dry powder and hygroscopic, these types of medicines are not suitable for filling in this capsule. Okay, and the concentrated solutions which require previous dilution are unsuitable for capsules because if administered as such lead to irritation in the stomach. You may notice that some type of medicines are advised to take with water. These types of drugs which are to be administered after dilution, these types of medicines cannot be filled in the capsule. Okay, because when we take this capsule, what will happen? The medicine acid, the concentrated medicines will go to our blood system. It may lead to irritation in the stomach or any other side effect. Okay, that's why the concentrated solutions are not supportive in the capsule form. These are the disadvantages. Very important point. So note it down and learn thoroughly. How these capsules are prepared? See, this is the capsule, this is body, this is cap. How you can identify that this is body and this is cap? See, one slightly shorter in diameter and longer in length. This is longer in length and diameter is less. This is one half. Okay. This is the second half. And the shape of these halves are cylindrical. Okay. The capsules are made up of two cylindrical halves, one slightly shorter in diameter and longer in length, in which the drug is filled. The drugs are filled in the body of capsule. This body is shorter in diameter and longer in length, okay, and with cylindrical shape. The next half is cap. Cap is slightly large in diameter but shorter in length. This is fitted into this body. This is known as cap. So the medicines are filled in this body and it is covered by the cap by fitting into this body. So capsules contain two cylindrical halves. Now let's start with hard capsules. The hard capsules are made up of plasticizers and water. These are the base of hard capsules. Okay, the base of the hard capsules are plasticizers and water. What do you mean by plasticizers? Plasticizers are those substances which promote plasticity and flexibility. This reduces the brittleness. These are also used to reduce the brittleness of the product. Clear? These plasticizers and water are the base of hard capsule, and it also contains preservatives, colors, flavors, sugar. Along with the medicaments, these hard capsules contains these ingredients, that is preservatives, different types of colors. The capsules are available in multicolors, and flavors also to reduce the unpleasant smell, unpleasant odor of the medicament, and sugar to get the sweet taste instead of the bitter taste of medicament. Okay. Before filling the medicines into this capsule shell, we have to understand how it is possible to identify and calculate the volume, the required amount of the medicines to fill into that capsules. For that, in the market, we will get the capsules with different sizes. These sizes are noticed as 000 to 5. That means the smallest capsule, the smallest shell of the size number 5, and the largest capsule will be of the size 000, 000. The size of the capsules varies from 000 to 5, and the ranges are like the largest size is 000, then 00, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the 5 is the smallest size. For example, suppose this is 000, this is 000, this is 0, this is 1, like that. Okay, from 000 to 5, the sizes gets reduced, and the amount of medicament to be filled in the capsule depends upon the density of the material to be filled. The size of the capsule is stable, it's constant. The amount of medicament to be filled into this shell depends on the density of the tablet also. Otherwise, this shell may break. Proper quality cannot be achieved, so that the amount to be filled mainly depends on the density of the material. Maximum 600 mg is filled in the capsule shell. 30 mg to 600 mg. This is the common range. Then size of the capsule depends on the quantity and density of the powder to be filled in. Suppose if the strength of the capsule, strength of the medicament is 600 mg, so and it's a single dose to taken in a day. So what to be done? The 600 mg has to fill in this capsule. So both the size of the capsule and the density of the medicament both are directly proportional. Clear? The size of the capsule depends on the quantity and density of the powder to be filled in. To compensate the loss of materials during the manufacturing process, always it's comfortable to take 5 to 10% extra ingredient while making the capsules to avoid the loss of materials while packing. And how this loss of material happens? During the manufacturing process, the ingredients are coming into contact with various instruments. Clear? Various parts of the machine, so that there is a possibility of loss of material by sticking on the machines, etc. To avoid the loss of required medicament in the final product, it's convenient to take 5 to 10% excess of each ingredient while making the course of powder. Before going into details of capsule making machines, we have to understand the basic manual procedure. If suppose we are making a single capsule manually, then what are the points to be taken care of? Each ingredient is weighed and finely powdered. Each ingredient means there may be possibility of one or more medicaments are to be filled. Okay, so the first ingredient is medicament, then coloring agent, then flavoring agent, then preservative. All these are the important ingredients of capsules or medicaments. Clear? So all these ingredients are weighed and finely powdered. The required quantity is weighed and it's to be converted into fine powder. Then all these fine powders are mixed together to get a uniform quantity of medicament. This process, the mixing of these ingredients, finely powdered ingredient, is known as trituration. They are mixed together to make uniform powder by trituration. And this powder is placed on a paper and spread with a spatula, and after that the required quantity of the medicament is filled into this cap. Fill the powder in the body of the capsule and insert the cap on the body and weigh the capsule. After that this cap is fitted into this body and the measurement is taken. If the measurement is as per the predetermined weight, then it is kept aside for final packing. If there is a difference in the weight, then it's clear that the medicament, the quantity of the medicament may be high or less. Then it's to remove, it's to repack. Only the required medicament has to be available within this capsule shell. That's the most important thing to be taken care of. So capsule with the same weight, that means required weight, are kept aside for final packing, and this process is repeated. So a particular batch is prepared with the same weight, required weight, are kept aside for final packing, and it is making available in the market and from the market to the patient. So these are the simple steps. I'm just giving you the introduction. We will study in detail about all these techniques with modern machineries and all. This is the manual process. If we are making a single capsule, then what we have to do? This is a basic information. Hope you understand what are to be done with the capsule to make it a proper quality medicament. Okay. From the next class, we will discuss about some capsule filling machines. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.